Hello, you are welcome to this edition on my channel. Remember, I am the mathematics teacher. I will excel. I appreciate the esteemed parents that bring their children close to my channel. I thank my great subscribers that shared and liked my video. I'm very grateful. I want to say thank you and thank you again. Today we are going into our second part of addition of a fraction, where I will explain finally the addition of a fraction and the little tricks that we can meet in the addition of a fraction. I want you to listen very attentively and understand it very well so that you don't make any mistake while solving these maths. Thank you very much. Okay, as I told you before now, if you want to solve addition of fraction, the first thing that will come into your mind is a LCM. Some people will just go and say, okay, 8 times 4. You get the number, you say it's the LCM. No, don't do it like that. You must find the LCM, because what you want and what we need very well is the smallest number that 2, 3, 5 can divide. The smallest. We know there are a lot of numbers that 3 of them can divide. But what we need here is the smallest one that they can divide, so that the work will be very easy for us. So let's go to find the LCM of 2, 5, and 10. Watch. Remember I told you, when you want to factorize, you start with the number 2, unless 2 cannot divide. So we start with the number 2. 2, 1. It cannot divide. I bring it in. I bring it down. 2, 5. 2 can no longer divide. 3 can no longer divide. 4 can no longer divide, but 5 can divide. 1, 1, 1. So we got the LCM as 10. We got the LCM as 10. Okay, 10 is the LCM. Now watch me. Look at the whole numbers there. It has whole number. 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2. That will give us 5. Okay? That will give us what? 5. This LCM, look at where I write. This LCM divide by the denominator times the numerator. Times what? The numerator. The LCM again, divide by this times the numerator. 10 divided by itself times the numerator. Okay? And the whole number comes again. 10 divided 2 will give you 5 times 1. 10 divided 5 will give you 2 times 1. 10 divided itself. Any number dividing itself is 1. 10 divided itself will give you 1 times 3. Okay? We bring down the whole number again. 5 times 1 will give us 5. 2 times 1 will give us 2. 1 times 3 will give us 3. The denominator, the LCM is there. The LCM is still there. Okay? Now, we are going to bring out the whole number first. You see the whole number. 5 plus 2 will give us 7. 7 plus 3 will give us 10. 10. The LCM is also 10. You see? Can you see something now? A child can get confused at this point. 5 whole number, 10 over 10. What am I going to do? What is going to happen? You don't leave the answer like that. You divide it. 10 divided itself, 1. 10 divided itself 1. 1 over 1. And I told you before, any number over 1 is that number. So what do we have? We have 5 plus 5 plus 1 over 1, which is 1. So 5 plus 1, the answer is 6. The answer is what? 6. Can you see it now? After solving the whole lot, we got our answer as whole number. Not 5 whole number, 10 over 10. No. Not 5 whole number, 10 over 10. You have to reduce it to their lowest term. And when you reduce it, you get 1 whole number. Then 1 whole number plus that 5 whole number. 1 whole number plus that 5 whole number, we get 6. Okay. We are going to the second one. Look at the second one. The LCM for the second one is 8 and 4. Let's find it. So 2 will divide. 2 divide, we have 4. Divide is 2. 2 again, 2, 1. 2 again, 1, 1. So 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 2 will give us what? 8. Will give us 8. So the LCM for this one is 8. What did I say? 8. And not 8 times 4. 8. Okay, look at the whole number. Whole number is 9 plus 6. 9. 9 plus 6 will give us 15. 15. So we have here 15 whole number. Okay. 8 divided by 8 times 5 here, plus 8 again divided by 4 times 3. Okay. We bring down the LCM again. Bring down the 15 again. 8 divide itself. 8 divide itself give us 1. 1 times 5 will give us 5. This is 5. Plus 8 divide 4 will give us 2. 2 times 3 will give us 6. Okay. Can you see it now? So 5 plus 6 will bring out the whole number 15. 5 plus 6 will give us 11. So we have 11 over 8. Wonderful. We have 11, 15 whole number, 11 over 8. Can you see? This is improper fraction. 11 over 8 is improper fraction. We cannot leave it like that. So what we are going to do now is we are going to say 15 plus 11 over 8. We are going to change it to mixed fraction. And we say 11 divided by 8. That will give us 1 whole number. Remainder 3. Remainder 3. So what do we have? We have 1 whole number 3. The denominator remains the same. So we now have 15 whole number plus the whole number we got, which is 1, plus 3 over 8, plus 3 over 8. And that will give us 16 whole number 3 over 8. Can you say it now? Because some children will get to this point and leave the answer like this. Very wrong. When you get to this point, you must change this to mixed fraction and add it to the whole number. I think we have seen what I'm trying to explain. When you get to this place, you are going to reduce it to their lowest term. And if it is whole number to whole number, you call the whole number. And when you get here, you see a whole number mixing up with improper fraction. You have to change the improper fraction to mixed fraction and add the whole number to the whole number you get in the mixed fraction and then the fraction remains the same, so that you don't get lost when you get to your answer section. You watch my video very well and you see how I did it. You're not going to fail addition of fraction again. This is where we come to the end of this lesson, and I hope you have learned so much on this addition of fraction. So today we have seen it to the end. So we're going to go over to subtraction of fraction in our next video. Please, I want you to pay attention very well. I want you to be in here next time. I don't want to miss you. And I want you always to tell me where you're watching from, so that I'll always give you a hug in my next video. The most important thing for me is that, is there anything that you don't understand in the process of my teaching? I want you to write it down in my comment section, and I'll explain it very well for you in the next video. Thank you very much for listening. Today is a great day. I so much appreciate. Thank you so much. Bye.